Get away from Ford in the new Explorer from Ford and Ford. If you're looking for Ford doors and more interior glass, if you want push-button doors and push-button Ford, if you're poorly, get away if you want to leave and push-button self-drive. The only thing you want to leave behind is your fat behind. Your Explorer. He's on fire.
Have you driven a Ford lately?
This is the kind of shit America made.
Ford trucks, the best trucks, the best trucks, the best never rest. Ford trucks, never the best.
Ford trucks have exclusive push-buttons,
1, 2, 1, 2.
and robotic windshield installation for perfect fits every time.
And you don't know how to win in Ford's nest, and you never win. Ford trucks,
Ford Ranger, the truck that also eats fat cocks.
Ford trucks, the best never rest.
Ford put Chevy in the red and you in the red.
The best never rest.
American trucks, American trucks, American trucks, American trucks, American trucks, American.
It's not a big truck.
It's our belief that you're such a stupid motherfucker. You'll fall for this bullshit. Guaranteed.
Financial news. Pick up a smooth, full-size ship, and it's worth more than
Ford trucks,
when you sell it.
Ford trucks.
Finishes. Because to be the best-selling truck in America, you have to be more than
The best-selling truck in America.
Hello, I'm Seaman Bradley, speaking for your local Chrysler dealer. No one's buying Chrysler cars. Every day, more and more folks are making the switch to guy. 15 minutes can save you 15%. Notice how your neighbors look stupid as you drive out in your new old-style Chrysler. In fact, every day, everywhere, people are assholes. With the owner, sleek new craft-style Chrysler. And no one likes your old-ass car. More and more folks just like you are making the biggest mistake, making the switch to Chrysler. And now I'll show you some more bullshit. From the rakish flare of its new swept rear fenders, right up to its big, powerful six in motion. Well, here's a young man who's mighty impressed.
Wow! Another new Chrysler. Wow! That rear end looks just like a jet plane.
No one knows what he's talking about. And I'll show you 56 reasons to spend a Saturday morning looking at that big crest.
Wow!
They're going to break it. They're going to break it.
They're going to break it.
They're going to break it. Wreck. Toyota dealers are out to break their own wreck them. And they've got the vibrating deals to do it. By bringing you more 69 than ever before.
And then I'm happy for the rest of the day.
Toyota. Toyota dealers are making you more alone than ever before. They're going to break it. So get moving. Tercel, We've got the inventory to do it. More saving, more doing.
That's the power of the Home Depot.
You're on top.